The National Weather Service in North Platte has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Keith County in southwestern Nebraska, southeastern Garden County in the Panhandle of Nebraska, eastern Dual County in the Panhandle of Nebraska, until 11:15 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time. At 10:28 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Llewellyn to near Barton, moving east at 25 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 70 miles per hour wind gusts and nickel-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. Impact. Expect considerable tree damage. Damage is likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. Locations impacted include Ogallala, Big Springs, Brule, Llewellyn, Barton, Lemoyne, Keystone, Roscoe, Kingsley Dam, Eagle Gulch Campground, Ruffin, Clear Creek State Wildlife Management Area, Nevins, McGeeth, Broganville, Belmar, and Goldeneye State Wildlife Management Area. This includes the following highways: Highway 61 between mile markers 80 and 109. Highway 92 between mile markers 115 and 138. Interstate 80 in Nebraska between mile markers 92 and 144. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 11:15 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time for the following county: Keith, Nebraska,